Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video guys, I'm here to make a big update on AMC, and from now on I want to let you know that I will be making more updates on AMC and GME because I know that this is what you guys want to see. And also I will be moving to Panama tomorrow guys. I will go to see Gabriel, who is trading with me on Discord, and we will do some live trading on YouTube together. He will be mostly trading commodities. I will be trading AMC, GME, and different stocks. I hope that this will be interesting for you guys. So I just wanted to let you know that I will not be here tomorrow, so Friday, with you on Discord for those who are with me. So I'm sorry about that. I will be back only on Monday. So this is the video I want to make just before going. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said, AMC, I will be making more updates guys about AMC and GME. So let's start. Daily time frame guys, I'm gonna try to be quick. We have some information, but let's be honest, we are in a neutral area, in an area where pretty much anything can happen. So let me sum up a bit the situation. So we were moving strongly lower, all right, for the past 3 months, 4 months, all right, since this breakout that was here, which is a valid breakout. Okay, like I said, we've analyzed this breakout many times. It's not perfect because the consolidation here was not perfect. We like to have many reactions on low volatility and low volume. So we had the low volume, we didn't have the low volatility, and the reactions, as you can see, are not touching the trend line, which is exactly what we need to see for this trend line to be reliable whenever it is broken. So here it has been broken. We had a nice move up, but then we pull back, which is kind of, I would say, usual for a breakout. But then we didn't manage to push higher despite this bullish engulfing. So we got stuck here. Bulls were taking back control, all right, until this point. And here we got pretty much rejected basically on the day of the earnings, one day after. So what does it mean? It means that bulls were not strong enough. It means that bears are still, pushing the price action lower. So of course we had some issues on the global market. So this is of course related guys. It's not an AMC issue. It's just, bears are taking back control on the global market. I mean, they did take back control, and now it's becoming neutral on SPY and QQQ after Jerome Powell's announcement yesterday saying that they will keep a dovish tone on the short term, but somehow before the year end, they will need to increase the rates. I think at least like 6 rate hikes. More to come. All right. So it's a bit hawkish as well. So we have different signals coming from the global market. I'm going to here focus on AMC because the global market is not giving us much information, only that we are still in the neutral area and that pretty much anything can happen. So like I said, bulls didn't manage to take back some major levels around 21, 24, 27 that we wanted to see. We didn't see it. We are now moving sideways. Plus we had this breakout guys below 14.5. I'm not sure I made a video about that, but I, of course, communicated about this on my Discord. This is, of course, not good. This is a victory of bears that for the first time managed to get the price action closing below 14.5. What happened the next day was, of course, a bearish move, but bears didn't reach the target. What was the target, guys? It's just the previous support. So here 12 is the obvious support. So we are really in a neutral situation on the short term because bears managed to push the price action below 14.5. We had a second close confirming this breakout is valid. Once again, this breakout happened on low volume. So whenever you have a breakout that is happening on low volume, guys, just remember that it's not very reliable. That pretty much usually you have a follow-up, but it's not strong. And this is the reason why here bulls managed to take back control on the very short term and push the price action above the 14.5 level. But right now, this 14.5 level is giving us less information because it has been crossed from the top to the low and from the lows to the top twice in a matter of 4 days. So this level is not as strong as it used to be, so it gives us less information. So what information do we have? Because this is what we're interested about. And right now the information we have is that the volume is still going lower, so we don't have a real direction. No one is really leading, and we don't have much information on the short term. We still have this I mean, we're moving sideways. Bears took back control, bulls are fighting back. Bears are still in control on the medium term, I would say, as can be seen. Then you need to zoom out if you want more information. And as can be seen on the MACD, guys, the MACD is still going lower, but not that much. So whenever the MACD starts to go higher, it means that the bullish momentum is coming back on the medium term. So this is what is happening right now, but we don't have any clear signal that bulls are taking back control. So like I said in my previous video, what we are likely to see right now, because this is what you guys want to know, is probably, like I said, guys, this is what I've been saying for the past couple of months. We need time. We still need time. It's hard to say if 12 is going to be touched or not. I would say that bears will push for that. So we might see it this week or maybe next week. It will, of course, depend as well on the global market. If the global market starts to be bearish again, I think that 12 is inevitable. But if we manage to see some good moves up on the SPY and Triple Q, we would probably stay in the 14.5, 18 range. So in this range, we are neutral. So like I said, my view here is neutral on the short, medium term. I think that basically we're going to move between 12 and 18. All right, we're going to be stuck a bit in this range. If we manage to go above 18, we would find ourselves in the same situation we were here. So we would have one more chance for bulls to show bears that they are taking back control, that they are strong, that they have some ammunition that they can use to push the price action higher. So we need to have this close above 18 to get this opportunity, and only then, maybe if bulls are stronger, we will reach finally this trend line. I personally don't think we're going to reach it very soon. So this trend line is right now around 24, 25. I mean, right now it's around 27, but let's say we reach it in 1 month, it would be around 25. So this is, I think, a reasonable target for bulls. We could put the price action towards this direction, maybe if we have some good news on the global market. But if we don't, I mean, it's not a big deal, because even if we do, we would probably get rejected then. And in the end, like I said, guys, in my previous update, what I think will happen is that in May, we are trading between 18 and 14. Okay, so I don't know if we go first to 12, then rebound, or if we rebound right away and go to 12. Like I said, I'm neutral on the short term, slightly bearish on the medium term, because bulls didn't manage to take back control when they had the opportunity to do so. So this is, of course, not very good news for bulls. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we're going to be trading in this area, guys, in May. And then the big question is going to arrive. So are we going to be able to break out above this level and then finally take back control on the long run? Which would be, guys, very exciting, and we would then talk again about targets, about what could happen. We will have a look, of course, on the short interest. Right now, it's not moving much. I will show you that very soon. And yeah, and if we go on the downside, 12 it has not been tested yet, so it's gonna for sure hold the first time. But as you guys know, whenever support is tested multiple times, it becomes weaker. So let's see. For now, 12 is a strong support. So yeah, and also I wanted to let you know, guys, once again, I'm not sure you saw that in my GME video, we are launching our NFTs. So they are crypto bulls, and they are representing the channel, guys. It has been designed by my stepbrother, and we have a very solid project behind it. It's a trading project. We're going to invest the funds that we're going to receive. We just need to check if the SEC requirements are met. But this product, guys, is going to be epic, like I said. And as you can see, we have different variations that are all very cool, guys. So yeah, join the Discord, join the Twitter. The links are in the description of this video. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. Make it grow, guys, and come to Discord if you want to get whitelisted. So let's go back to AMC. The last thing I wanted to show you guys is the option market. So here, as you can see, so I have already downloaded the data. We have the March expiry coming in 2 days, guys. So whenever you have an expiry, look, this is the gamma. Okay, so I'm not going to explain exactly what is the gamma, but basically the bigger it is, the more likely we are to make big moves. And when you approach an expiry, the gamma gets bigger. So we are more likely to move strongly. Okay, this is what it means. And the gamma is 2.2% right now, which is big. And if we have a look at the max pain, so this is the maximum pain on the March 18th expiry, we have a level around 18 I don't know, it's flattish between 17 and 20. So something between 17 and 20. So this is telling us that this is the price that option market makers would like to see for AMC on the day of the expiry, so that option holders make less money. So it doesn't mean it's going to go there for sure, of course, but we've seen with time that this is happening more often than the other levels. So let's see if we manage to close around this level. This is just one information. The other information we can have a look at is that right now the put option market is quite active, guys. There are a lot of put options and some of them are in the money, like the 15 put. I mean, the 15 put is not in the money since yesterday, but you know, all these strikes, some of them have been crossed. So this is putting a synthetic long. So basically right now the synthetic short is compensated by the synthetic long. So this is the reason why for now we don't have anything hard, but we still have a maximum synthetic short of 20%. So this is still very bullish, and this is created by the massive number of shares that we have around the 95 strike and the 145 strike. And tomorrow it's the March 18th expiry, and as you guys can see, March is here. Okay, and I wanted to see, we have the 40 strike. Oh, it's not, sorry, it's here. So we're gonna have the 95 strike that is expiring, guys. So we're gonna basically have 38 million shares less. So let's see if those options get rolled. I don't think they're going to get rolled right now. So I think that the synthetic short is going to drop, the maximum synthetic short, and then it's going to rebuild. All right. And whenever it starts to rebuild, probably around May, let's see. But, you know, we have something that is going to happen in May, like I said, guys. So this is going to give us a lot of information about who is able to make this breakout happen on the side. Once again, the breakout will be here, guys, because we're gonna have a gigantic triangle, all right? This upper band here, and on the downside we're gonna have either 14.5 or 12. Like I said before, it doesn't really matter, guys. We don't really care if we're at 14 or at 12. It's same, guys. It's 2 points. We are here talking about 10, 20, 100 points that might one day happen, guys. So 2 points is of course nothing. So let's see if 12 is going to be the support of the lower band of this triangle, or if it's going to be 14.5. I don't know. Seriously, I don't really know, but I don't really care. I mean, it's not going to change much, right? 12 or 14. So let's see what's going to happen. But once again, if we see the option market that is rebuilding strongly around April, May, guys, this would be a very, very good information for bulls. So that's it for me. Like I said, guys, I will do more updates about AMC and GME, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget, guys, to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. And see you guys.